Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to save your Canva template, for example, or some design. And if you want to download it, just go to your design and now click share. And there is a download option, and you can choose from many different, like PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, Microsoft PowerPoint, MP4 video, GIF, and so on and so forth. So you choose the one that fits you the best. Select the pages and click download. You can also save download settings, so another time when you do this, it will automatically be like this. You can also flatten PDF, which means that converts content, the design, into a single image per page. So basically your links will not work if you click on this. And include notes, so if you wrote notes here, then you can also include them here. But if you don't want to download it, and just to find it on Canva, all you have to do is go to your home page, scroll down, and here are your recent designs. And here you will find your design. So yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.